1 hour, and then head back, and then we're gonna go to my aunt and uncle's farm, which is close to your house. Is your
Ito free market.
oh, they're over here? Okay. Okay. Then hopefully we see them, and then we're gonna come back to my aunt's farm by your house and pick some of the vegetable, and then and that's it. And then after that, we're gonna go to the house. So about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock is perfect. We're gonna leave tomorrow morning, so make sure you come so I can give you some stuff so you can take it to your parents. Yeah, and then the solo with this. Alright, yeah. Alright, good.
What is it? Oh.
Go ahead and buy and take it home.
Oh, no.
This is cool.
Yeah. Todaji à?
Của tôi ta là.
Sapak à?
Có sập bát của nó. Ok.
Todaji.
Của tôi ứng nhân là Clearwater, Florida. Của tôi là cái lúa Kinyan. Kinyan. Farmers Market.
Ok.
Hai do.
Giờ rồi.
Hai farmers market. Shampoo ginger? Really? They just shampoo ginger.
Oh, 不要。